The future of coding is here. Discover how AI is transforming coding jobs and empowering coders like never before. Are you ready to code smarter, not harder? The landscape of coding is undergoing a profound transformation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a distant concept, but an active partner in the coding process. From seasoned professionals to first-time coders, AI-assisted tools are revolutionizing how we approach programming. Let's delve into this exciting shift and understand what it means for the future. Chapter 1. AI in today's coding world. Imagine having a smart companion who understands your ideas and helps bring them to life. That's exactly what AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot and Amazon Code Whisperer do today. These tools can generate code from simple descriptions, identify and fix errors, explain complex code in plain language, auto-generate documentation, suggest optimizations for better performance. For professional programmers, these tools handle repetitive tasks, freeing them to focus on creative problem-solving. For beginners, they simplify the entry into coding, turning complex processes into manageable steps. Real-world examples. Example 1. Building a personal website. Before AI, a small business owner aiming to build a website had 3 options. Learn coding languages like HTML and CSS, hire a developer, or use a template-based builder with limited flexibility. But with AI, the process is much simpler. Imagine the business owner saying, "I want a flower shop website with an image gallery, online ordering, and a blog." Instantly, the AI generates the foundational code. Need adjustments? Just say, "Make the background light pink," and it's done. Example 2. Creating a data analysis tool. A high school teacher wanted to analyze student test scores. Traditionally, this would require learning complex programming languages or spending weeks mastering data visualization. With AI, it's straightforward. The teacher inputs, "Create a program that analyzes my CSV file and highlights problem areas." The AI responds with a fully functional Python script, analyzing scores, visualizing patterns, and even suggesting interventions. Example 3. Developing a mobile app. Consider a novice coder wanting to build a medication tracking app. Learning mobile development from scratch could take months. Instead, they describe the app to an AI. "I need an app that reminds users to take their medications, tracks their intake, and alerts when supplies run low." The AI creates the core structure, user interface, and essential features. While human assistance might still be needed for final touches, AI lays a strong foundation. Chapter 2. The rapid evolution of AI coding tools. The pace of progress is astonishing. Just a year ago, AI tools were limited to assisting with simple code snippets. Today, they can manage entire projects, understanding complex architectures and coding requirements. Success rates in solving coding challenges have doubled, and AI can now process thousands of lines of code at once, offering comprehensive solutions faster than ever before. Chapter 3. Adapting education for AI-driven coding. As AI reshapes coding, educational approaches must evolve. Here's how. 1. Focus on problem solving. Teaching syntax alone is outdated. Students should learn how to break down problems logically. 2. Leverage AI tools. Rather than banning AI, schools should teach students to collaborate with these tools effectively. 3. Understand code. Knowing how to interpret and modify AI-generated code is crucial. 4. Real-world projects. Encourage students to solve practical problems using both AI and traditional coding methods. 5. Ethical awareness. Instill a strong understanding of when AI-generated code is reliable and when it needs human oversight, especially in critical industries like healthcare. Chapter 4. The evolving role of human coders. AI won't replace human coders, but will transform their roles. Coders will focus on guiding AI with clear instructions, reviewing and refining AI-generated code, designing system architectures, solving complex, creative challenges beyond AI's reach, specializing in industry-specific applications. The most successful coders will be those who embrace AI as a partner, achieving results faster and more efficiently. Conclusion. By embracing AI, both novice and expert coders can unlock unprecedented potential. AI-assisted coding is not about replacement, but about empowerment. Together, humans and AI can build the future of technology faster and smarter than ever before. Let's welcome this partnership and shape the future, one line of code at a time. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.